Kenyam ner malawi kanaz diala kontin ba job me ba jaling. To kon galer de banaling kanwa online TV channel titi ke important reporting. Kie ler kont lat Corodian re duaran konwari. To banaling kadwa badan en shikatua kaje. Baran palping kajan report me ko bi konin diala kon lat Corodian banakaling kadwa badan en token kaje re duaran. Ko de ram mo no go der la da ja linga der la subscribe ko de notification bell der je talk kami jagaje ko mi ta la mi bare da sha mala shube ka ji gwad dana payala rech to kon ke report dang jok shreman channeling kel ko ran ji talk bo gwam chane dang ro cha ganektin rawde to kon ke jen la dina banalinga kira pe support force ban youtube ba ke la nyam le nyambaran palping kalyengda ke chang ke Sunday afternoon dor shalka mo bor ka Jonglei state wa chi dwal mi di chatwo kaman shalka marol market gwami mo chi national security force siken ke jan red bell group mo Canadian content cha jak la dini wa cha ga jagano de kan kwar dung red bell group de kan okap an gwal dana cha ga jak tin chire ke otwo cha ne dangro cha kan nagan wana mone ramkel kwar rode ka red bell group kwar rode ka red bell group cha janak kan ramkel mila officer ki kwar baga national security force tinte bor charam kel chainak ka charam kel ka red bell group chainak ala kwar rewde murai ko na jaram dana chanak re kurmo chala do kurtoga na unarum ko hotel wati garam kel mi red bell group shakan ndoro shalka mo Jonglei ko la bor ka center la bor town what you can need to la national security officer you can kayat jat kajo kan go red bell group shi bare ya kan tama ka ko hotel mi shwale nena an gwada mo shwa de nyu ayo jak me a jaga jan market mo Chiburkandi commissioner Ramadan Lakwar, you know, Kozamburte commissioner governor Jatin Pai, governor Jen Dr. Guy Cook, Baramdan La commissioner Kabur County. A woody shala 10 page. A 10 page more. A generation can never con la gang with the Nikian chicken jack, a canning a jack mission. Chicken no they can queer Red Bell group. Garden Yan Makatur Mentama. Mutadarona. Queer Red Bell group mo wade jokep de yena kuma ko ci kuma kim yadit ke chole kan ka de ne shal ka rebel organization so cha go gor no they can operate boron gwasamana commissioner me murai kon go shiro mishala 10 page na the Red Bell group chale leg mamer ne je kuma da guy cook je mo ke tan jen wanit badak Re tane jen wana badaka tomu kana shi point Ramadan la governor mu take a response ajani bukan bor bukan yan might so for the hour to shall take seriously kuma shall force me try deploy ko ba gwa down to Red Bell group ten ba ngaje no bigi chun ka gwa da dien ko shun de na mo jena kwara goro ba ngaje shwa form dilam chwa la do gwadon cause en report ya no jen gude me wa chene to wan tik den je jago be bay ko ge jen en wodong dar ma de yoda na time chwa din do ya jak jen Sunday mone misi ne ko la officer shi ge je no shi kan we gwadran en cha gujeno te Red Bell group ten gwal mi sha leg ma mer la kwera mo cha jekten ke chanen tin kan ne ka dang bakel jel ga kel kan baro ware hotel ga wachu officer shi ko kudiana la police ne mi shi ko kudiana ne ka gwato traling na maj man mitel kapchong ajen wo korten kamdian wa kor mudit two officer te karar la the Indian content mark Red Bell group leg ma mera mo mala kwara Red Bell group tere hotela kan neka within gwada mo mchiko to ko Red Bell group deputy di la kwara rawda nan gure leg ma mer chwana kan gwada mon en deputy de chwale ton kwanya gut machar no jaram dan chanak na chanak gwada dan ci koriya tokten wuri shalka me leg ma mer man ko la kwara Red Bell group wajan che escape charoda bar no charoda bar ere kuro mo Chatu National Security Service members chak bartene dangro. Chaka na gramkel duno cha ne dangro kake chaka mu ka bot dit. Re community ka gwa dan to korten kajen marol market mon kajen hotel en to korten. Chala do ne dangbaro tika bot dit long. Te tinbo men ramdan la kwer hotel ka cha mu ka bot ke cha ber. Ramdan hotel na ci Red Bell group ci ben ko hotel bi ko mit ka konten. Nyo kyaram kel misala do ram la ngar ken ngar la ngar ke la ngar kwirka chamu ga bodbatin kane di ala konen chamu ga bot cha nang ka juba dolwal wa ga kor mi pangen pal ba ko nyom tike ka en wera ani ram mo bitte ke link ka Red Bell group wa ba je yen ken enonon jibon de la nang rewi ki juba ko ba ko tretten Red Bell group kan ke gad jane ka din kabur community kana ke community based militia ka din kabur community chikana claim no gang kana ne ken chirmana na ngai kona gang kana ne ken and that terami momede ka gokki taramde ka jogonom lediana momijak jena kam kan kume 40 hour ko de kume de kan comply ka manane me jikan request but ken chaga logo already kume gwade dan chaga jogono yen chamu ga won ya jogono jenno biya surrender biya SSPD biya jowan ki biya mekun ba ga disam biya mekun biya tap chukana lok jendo be dan ku kor ku je triggered re kormo chuliam di chotwok chirme ko na ngach ni ga me nyamane ci point Red Bell group wa ci ga na ikin na kan ne ko la janken andam de joy gwan we cha deputy kwer rawre cha nak man gur leg mamer tem wa ko gwa ran che ngwaitin kan ne ke bad dol na tem go gejeno dong en re wuji chol ga borde ko da tok tin time so quick come down le haroda Dr. Guy Cook at this point borod deal gang go to security immediate otherwise Red Bell group chikana bi palika ko antem chi content to kana kanen so tell me go joking at this point ko mi che wona ka liya ki na ye liun dan lati ko bane de kona lat kami jena ken amman non kor kim non liya ba ka gor so Ramadan look and right now Red Bell group by the way wa can take a report mi jikana je ka kwi Dr. Guy Cook wa Dr. Guy Cook point de wa jan take yuru cho to ka Nuer community kan yuru to wa ka yu no kwalo kam Nueri ka ci jangi ne je so jan me wa antem me point Red Bell group ku kan Dr. Guy Cook ku kan level lo gwantarian so quick kon member to ko gwasan be so na me je report dan go de kon lingwasan chana jien yok bana we ka report adian me de kon ling no report adian me bana linga very concerning Kiglik oil field dar shalga moabi adio jerune to wan cha jigana me by the way so bana detail bana kaling min cho da lare which mi ka bi ki dar shalga me ruwen gutiga ruwen administrative area ki tiga unity gwada chi kore tokten kam Sudani karodiana la rapid support force kana min chala savla Sudan army so min chala jene gwada men chala do kanay de ti chal karab support force ti wa chi chubre which mi chi ga chubo chi gana talk you know kami joy kanay konti la latial dor shal kami eglik ala eglik by the way jenna the main place ka kwi ngada ka kwi jatka okay la jada chala petroleum man ku South Sudan ko ele stable no right now chajo de gwan wo Red Bell group sorry chinere ti ritual kati rap support force cha dor mo cha de kef wa kan fanken do be kan kef kan jamo why it really hot South Sudan because en liya da mom yigan kula wutan antama da liya da kwayo ko ala jekta na kuma South Sudan so eno cha goma ya kef chumilin kon me wodi Oken charin organize along. Kaba kep kan egli gone wacha la dangerous no ka kume nitin kokien. Yemena lat report me men chala so beja kwen katung English kon kulat katung Nuer. Rapid gain, 12 years of South Sudan opposition struggle. How did the rapid support force achieve in Man? What the SPLIU and other South Sudan opposition group could not achieve in more than 12 years. This report focuses on strategy, political weakness, and the regional consequences, especially around the oil field that fuel both Sudan and South Sudan. Rapid support advance. What made it possible? The rapid support force shocked the region by moving quickly across Sudan and capturing major town, strategic route, and even the Iglig oil field, an area historically seen as untouchable. This success came from three main factors. First, unified command structure. The rapid support force operates under one tight chain of command. There are no competing factions, no internal rebellion, and no split leadership. Mobile warfare tactic. They use fast coordinated desert warfare, speed over numbers. They overwhelm slower conventional armies. Third, exploiting government weakness. Sudan army was already struggling with low moral shortage and divided loyalty. Rapid support force moved into the crack left behind. Why the oil field matter? Both Sudan and South Sudan depend heavily on oil revenue, as you know. Almost all government salaries, military funding, and import relied on oil money. So what rapid support force captured the Iglig area. They cut critical income from Khartoum. They threatened the pipeline that South Sudan depend on. They gain a bargaining chip stronger than any battlefield victory. Controlling oil field doesn't just win battle, it changed the political map of the region. In contrast, South Sudanese opposition forces have faced major challenges since 2013. This includes internal split. Almost every opposition movement divided into factions. Political, military, and ethnic and personal rivalries. Most groups lack consistent supplies, transportation and medical support, and communication system. Communities feel used and unprotected. Many believe opposition leaders call for battle without preparation, leaving civilians to suffer the consequences. Opposition leaders often negotiate, withdraw, split, return, or sign deal, creating confusion among supporters and fighters. The rapid support force do not face this same internal problem. That's why their operations appear more effective. Across South Sudan, civilians are openly saying enough is enough. They refuse to participate in conflict that have no strategy, no clear objective, no protection, and no guarantee political benefits. People are tired of being the one who suffer while leaders negotiate and split. This frustration is shaping a new political reality. Communities want organization leadership, not a spontaneous war. There is growing public discussion about whether all opposition groups should form a unified political alliance, not to wage war but to strengthen their bargaining power, push for reform, and coordinating peacefully. A unified front would allow shared resources, shared strategy, reduced internal conflict, stronger negotiation, more organized planning. Unity does not have to mean violence. Unity can also mean a stronger political engagement, peacefully resistant and coordinated national agendas. The situation shows a clear truth. Group within unity, clear command and strong strategy achieve more. Group with internal division and poor preparation struggle for years. Civilians now demand leadership that protect them instead of exposing them. The rapid support force gain are warning to the region. politics not to bullet shape the future. Without strong, stable, and organized movement, power will continue shifting rapidly. Gwazame ko shawe shalka magal eglik shaje kafa kume Sudan wajan chala mu jega tama ko kume marai ke kirma yadi batte mu chagolat gwazame shala do ne suggestion mishi kume SPLI which failten ka grun dangwara wote ko struggle ka gore kume gorjano de kan kirma yadi de kan dunyu ko one thing is ka failten wa de kan eglik oil fail de kan ka mala control key power ere tidial latketi misha oil fail charge ka which mean that the show managing bo de jilang can return wo chana te kamal but ko kan position chika SPLI wo kan goro bikan kume bikan joy ko al feel wajen mi jak korko bellem ke bedidone charge bulonga makap ko je chong kan this leader let's say kan la gorano ba ju kon do chike be kon ga karan then after that be kulubin kan negotiation table okay so jan ta dan to so I mean that en kume SPLI wajen to fail for that long time gore jen wadara kuma de kem yadi dare jatol batika fail ko bikan oil field bikan secure misalat kapet the long rapid support force right now rapid support force gwal jiga neglect jiga control be beje lonka Sudan ko be beje lonka Sudan kon Sudan chedima chala rapid support force kan rapid support force kan Sudan government ma bum gaje ajen liya da mane so liya da me but under controller so charge bile jek netin content chalke Sudan government so na me jen down le road kuma like Dr. Machar ngode telemichikan lat right now right kona wa kwa target which we me especially ka jo mishala no rapid support force chikan area mo chikan ka wa gu je no buka advance buka with gwenten content to kuma SPLI I go ticket ka border na me mun le road ntem ngot kanta na ngaje gwano ngumbuto nyo kume kirmi yadit ka joji kan lan ka nyam wudu shal ka me lure kong yela ne ka nyam no telenate motisha telenate sha joji telekom jutwo pipeline kana yar you know again chalat but reality on the ground wonene kurche to kana chaga juj all the workers kan dia chi GNC ko border du South Sudan chi kan dia GNC wo administrative area chi kan dia GNC wo unit state and on agenta dan le road je so kur ngode dida kur mo shi kur mitot de yan jo me dia lenga no so ko kwiko te dia ko lar road en gor kan o banlet bu kon ta dan len ngaru din ga je ban jangat tega jom de mi charat gwasa me self kem yadi de watch tega ne ga ticha George re kuma ka te de yan ling self kem yadi ka jodan charat gwasa me watch ne kon let coffees de tila kwarke tega joy kandial jawdo ku ne de koken do no jan shale reshuffling redena don jin kwatam baram dan le la ko be la ka deputy baram le la deputy be la ka chairman so this is how Kim Yadi operate nowadays so che mutabe che je ret watch ale consolidation of power ku consolidate power ke gonu jeno bi power mo be te ke jikelo jan ta dan lat ke kum Kim Yadi ban je kum den biate man